नमस्कार दोस्तों, खरीदी वाला गाइड में आपका स्वागत है। मेरा नाम है शौरी, आप देख रहे हैं खरीदी वाला गाइड। चलिए देखते हैं आज का गाइड। दोस्तों, Redmi लॉन्च कर रहा है Note 9 5G स्मार्टफोन, which is low budget smartphone. So guys, Redmi is launching Redmi Note 9 5G smartphone, which is the low budget smartphone of Redmi on 26th of November. So let's see the specification of it. So friends, basically this Redmi Note 9 is having two variants. One is Note 9 and another one is Note 9 Pro. Both are having the 5G connections. So both are compatible with the 5G chip. So friends, we will move ahead with the Redmi Note 9 and Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G specification. So friends, these are few specifications which are leaked, but as of now, those are not confirmed on the Redmi Note 9 Pro's website. So we will see what are the specifications. So friends, you will be having a punch hole display. Punch hole display as in you will be having a small camera within the screen. Basically, it is not a water drop notch or no notch will be there on the front screen. You will be having a punch hole display and which will be having a camera which would be approximately 48 megapixel. So let's see the full specification. First of all, you will be having a screen of 6.53 inch. 6.53 inch का full HD display screen मिलेगा, which is having a punch hole. Then you will be having MediaTek processor. This I am talking about the Redmi Note 9 5G, not the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And friends, this display would be full HD display, 6.53 inch approximately. And then in Redmi Note 9 5G smartphone, you will be having a MediaTek processor. This won't be the Snapdragon processor, but you will be having a MediaTek, which is a Dimensity 800U. It is the name of the processor. And friends, this processor will work on Android 10 based on MIUI 12. Front camera, as I said, it would be a 48 megapixel. So basically, this phone is having 13 megapixel ultra wide angle selfie lens. This phone will be approximately 200 grams. So moving ahead with the Note 9 Pro 5G smartphone specification. So in this you will be having approximately same screen, 6.67. Earlier the Redmi Note 9 was having 6.53 inch display. Now this would be having Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G smartphone would be having 6.67 inch Full HD LCD display. It will be also equipped with 240 Hz touch sampling, and in screen itself you will be having the camera. So moving ahead with the specifications, the rear camera is of 108 megapixel, which is of Samsung. So friends, moving ahead with the rear cameras. So as I said, these are all specification which are leaked. ये अभी तक confirm नहीं है. So friends, just सोचा जो whatever is leaked on the website, just to let you know. So इसका जो processor होगा, this would be Snapdragon processor, Snapdragon 750G, okay, which will be supporting 5G chip. Okay, which will be equipped with 5G chip, I would say. This would be supporting 5G connectivity, and of course the cameras, moving ahead with the cameras, 1.8 megapixel का rear camera होगा, 64 megapixel का secondary camera होगा, and battery, friends, the battery is very strong, approximately 4820 mAh battery. And friends, the charger of this battery would be approximately 33 watts. So you will be having 4820 mAh battery, which would support fast charging. So friends, this was the today's Kharedi Wala guide, which was having a basic information, basic specification, I would say, of Redmi Note 9 and Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G smartphones. So friends, अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। धन्यवाद।